Hi everyone, today I'm painting a peaceful winter lake using watercolors. This is a simple and meditative process, something anyone can try. The goal isn't perfection, it's about enjoying the flow of color, water, and creativity as you turn a blank page into a piece of decorative art. I start by dividing the page in two parts, the top for the sky and the bottom for the lake. Then I begin layering soft wintry colors, muted brown, cold gray, and different shade of blue. I let the water move freely and allow the color to blend naturally, like the sky reflection to the lake. There's something peaceful about not controlling every part. Just letting the painting evolve. Then I let the background dry slowly. Once it dried, I switch to a fine watercolor brush and begin with adding small details like trees and soft reflection in the water. I keep the line loose and flowing. This part feels like finishing a quiet talk with gentle stroke. Finally, I add some subtle line using ink marker. Just a few clean marks give the painting structure and a decorative touch that make it feel finished and ready to hang. This whole process is calming and joyful, like a quiet moment for yourself. Watercolor has a way of guiding you if you let it. Whether you're an artist or just starting out, it's an easy and meaningful way to create something beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. If it inspired you to try your own version, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relaxing painting videos.